What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 Seconds, where you get the information you need right up front. And if you want more, stick around for a step-by-step walkthrough. Today, we're going to show you just how easy it is to add a hero web part that acts as a carousel. Stick around.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.
Okay, first thing we gotta do is get that timer rolling. Here we go. First thing you're gonna do is hit that edit button. If you're not hitting the edit button, you're not gonna be making any changes. And then we're gonna like mess up our beautiful page. We're gonna add a one column section here, and then we're gonna add it to the section. We're gonna go add web part, and we're gonna go to the hero rerow, and then it automatically just says it's the carousel version. You know, if you wanted to be something different, you can choose, but we're gonna go carousel, add an image or a link we got out from a link, and then we're gonna smackety back that. We're gonna control V and then put that link in there, and then we're gonna add it, and then bam, it's there. We want to edit it, we can go ahead and add in some text and all that happy stuff. And if we want to add more, click add slide and add another one. Bam, you just did it. You did it. So this is the brand new carousel that everybody's talking about for Hero Web Part. I'm probably a little bit late to the show, but wow, better late than never. This is amazing. So let's break this thing down a little bit. Before we do, please take a moment, like, share, subscribe. We appreciate you. All of your views, likes, shares help the channel tremendously. Thank you. We appreciate your support. All right, so let's break this thing down a little bit and see what's crack-a-lacking here. All right, I'm going to get rid of this. So if you want to know how to delete a section, boom, well, that's deleting the web part, but it's in here, I promise you. So I just clicked out into the white space and then delete the section, but bam, it's gone. All right, so let's talk about the whole hero and the carousel. We're going to scratch the surface here. There will be more videos if you would like more videos that talk about the carousel and the in-depth nature that it brings. It's super cool. Okay, all we're talking about today is just how to add it and how to switch between. Well, it's the hero web part first and foremost. Okay, this is the hero web part that you all know and love. Okay, this carousel option obviously rolled out while people still had hero web parts, but it's a new layout. It's called carousel. Now, if you have an old web part, this is, I should probably do a whole nother video on this. I can if you need more detail, but this should pretty much explain it. Let's say you want to do the carousel for an old web part. You're going to go to the properties or whatever. You're going to go to the thing here and see how it says tiles. Oh, it says carousel. It does say carousel. No. Did I re-add that? I swear I had an old one that it wasn't allowing certain things like the layouts. Okay, well, okay, so here. All right, so I stand corrected. You can still switch the old one to the carousel. However, take a look over here at the options. Okay, I'm on the options for this particular tile, and you'll see, I can change the background image, change the link, obviously, but I can't do any sort of description, topic, none of that happy jazz, because this was in existence before the carousel rolled out. So if you want to, there's some things you can do if you add a brand new one. So this is a brand new one here. Let's go to this tile and let's take a peek at the settings. See, look, like, you see the difference? Like, I can do a style. See, the style is not there with the old one. If I click back, wow, that wasn't an opportune time for the phone. Hold on, guys. Okay, so back to the old one, you'll see that you cannot change the style. So if you want to be able to change the style, okay, anyway, we will do another video that goes in depth on all of this happy jazz here. There's a lot of settings to deal with, but for now, we want to make sure that you can at least add it. And I know you'll be able to figure out all the rest, but if you got questions, let us know. So again, recap, you want to have all sorts of fun with the carousel web part, or the hero web part, and the carousel layout, then you just add a new one, add a new section, add a new hero web part, and it's automatically right now taking you to carousel right out the bat. But you can hit your drop down and then switch it from tiles to carousel. Just remember, if it's an old one, you're not going to have all your advanced features. If you want all the advanced features, description, and header, and all that jazz, you're going to have to add a new Hero Web part. All right, everyone. Thank you again. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and remember, do the very best you can with what you got. SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time, y'all.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta